I use my DJI mic to control my cameras. Hi everyone, I'm back, and for today, isi-share ko naman sa inyo yung isa sa mga hack na natutunan ko with my DJI cameras and the DJI microphones. So the good thing about having the same brands of cameras and microphones ay pwede mong i-swap yung mga microphone mo sa iba't ibang camera na meron ka as long as you are using the same brand. So I'm currently using two DJI products, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and this DJI Osmo Nano. As you can see, I have the DJI Mic 2. Hindi ko siya ginagamit ngayon with my DJI Osmo Nano. Pero of course, pwede ko siyang i-connect dito. I am currently using the DJI Mic Mini. And the Mic Mini na nabili ko, dalawa sila. This is the case of the DJI Mic Mini and dalawang microphone nga yung kasama nito. The reason why I bought it is because para kapag nagkakaroon kami ng mga travel vlogs ay kaming dalawa ni Papa or pwedeng kaming dalawa ni Orion ang pwedeng gumamit ng microphone. I also discovered na I can use my DJI microphones to control my DJI cameras. Paano? Remember na nag-resource speaker tayo? I actually used my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 para ma-videohan ko yung sarili ko pero nobody is holding the camera or nobody is controlling the recording of the camera. Actually, walang ibang taong nagko-control but just myself. And I used my DJI Mic 2 to control the recording on and off. Paano ko ginawa yun? So right now, I am also controlling the recording of this DJI Osmo Nano gamit itong DJI Mic Mini. So I will show you how I use my DJI microphone to control my DJI cameras. For now, ang maipapakita ko lang sa inyo ay how I use my DJI Mic Mini to control the DJI Osmo Nano. Kasi ito na yung nakakonect, itong dalawang microphone na to, yung kinonect ko dito sa aking Osmo Nano. Dahil maliliit naman sila pare-pareho. So again, just make sure na connected yung DJI microphone mo sa DJI camera mo kung ano man yan. And since iisang brand lang sila, you can just easily swap your microphones with your other cameras as long as, again, iisa lang yung brand. So all I have to do is just to press the linking button dito sa aking DJI microphone and magsa-start na ng recording. And of course, press it again para mag-stop yung recording. That's why yun na lang ginawa ko para i-record yung sarili ko kasi nakakahiya rin naman na magpa-record sa teacher or sa bata or kahit kay Orion para lang ma-record yung sarili ko during the talk. O diba, if you have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo dahil meron na yan agad kasamang mic, so pwede mong gamitin yan if you don't have anyone to assist you in recording yourself. And if you have other DJI cameras and microphone, yan, ayan ang isa sa mga hack na pwede nyong gawin with your DJI products. Thanks for watching and I hope you are enjoying your DJI camera and microphones. And kung wala ka pang kahit na anong DJI product, naku, sinasabi ko sa